ल्यान्ड लेबर क्यापिटल एन्टरप्रेन्योर यानी जग्गा मलाई सपोज यो चेयर बनाउनु पर्ने छ जग्गा चाहियो हैन त्यसपछि मलाई बनाउने मान्छे चाहियो लेबर चाहियो क्यापिटल चाहियो र मटेरियल किन्नको लागि हैन मलाई मसिन किन्नु पर्यो कि वुड किन्नु पर्यो कि कुनै स्पन्ज फोम whatever किन्नु पर्यो त्यो अनि एकजना entrepreneur which is one person or it could be a group of people that is going to come together get these things to work together that is going to take the risk have the vision and actually make this a real business. Agreed, yes or no?
Yeah.
Basic entrepreneurial. I studied this 24 years ago in school for the first time. Okay? In the last 24 years, what has happened is the meaning of the word entrepreneur has changed dramatically. Why? Think of an Amazon. No land, very little labor initially, absolutely no capital apart from an internet connection and a laptop, but a great mind of an entrepreneur. Agreed or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Think of Uber. Nepal, Bahapur, Pathao, correct? Same. They don't have any land. They don't even own the taxis that actually are ferrying you around in Pathao, correct? They don't even pay salaries, so they don't have laborers that are working for them. They just had a small, very tiny group of people identified as entrepreneurs willing to create a change in the world. Yes or no?
Yes.
So the very meaning of entrepreneurship has changed. पहिला के थियो जग्गा पनि चाहियो काम गर्ने मान्छे पनि चाहियो मान्छेको स्यालेरी पनि तिर्नु पर्ने हो and you need to have raw materials capital machinery this and that आजको दिनमा entrepreneurship मा जुन ठुलो चेन्ज भएको छ this is the real change and disruption and democracy of tomorrow. Agreed or not?
Agreed.
Any child sitting in Itari, sitting in Palpa, sitting in Dang, tomorrow can get a great idea, make an amazing app on it, on their computer, sell it to the entire world and make millions of dollars. Agreed or not?
Yes.
There is somebody in Nepal, I believe, who made an Uno game, okay, and a Ludo game, an app. They've got millions of downloads and they're just sitting and making money because, okay, it's just such a simple thing to do. What I want you to understand is this. To be an entrepreneur, you don't need to necessarily have land, labor, capital. What you might actually have is a great problem that you are solving, a team that's going to help you do it, and maybe the opportunity to scale up that problem. Do we agree or not? Yes or no? A great problem, an idea and a team, and the opportunity to scale that entire conversation, that entire company forward. That is what you need if you really, truly want to be an entrepreneur today without a huge capital. What does this mean? This means that when are the most problems in the world? Some of the basic problems in the world. When you have the most number of problems in the world? When?
During crisis.
During crisis. So the truth is, crisis ko bela. Let's think of earthquake. How many of you experienced it? Kati jana Nepal ma hununthyo earthquake ko bela? Yes, how many of you experienced it? Crisis basic थियो कि थिएन? हाम्रो normalize जस्तो थिएन, right? COVID को बेला, how many of you remember? How many crises were there in COVID? Every day one new crisis. Do you know how many new businesses became a reality during COVID? Yes or no? So many new businesses, so many new platforms, so many things came into reality. Why? A crisis is a great place for problems. And a problem is a great point to start your journey of entrepreneurship. Does it make sense? Yes or no? I think crisis को बिना एकदम fascinating कुरा हुन्छ. थाहा छ के हो? जुगाड, innovation. You ever heard the Hindi word जुगाड? What does जुगाड mean? Doing something in a sketchy way, and not the conventionally accepted way. जुगाड लगाएर कुनै काम गर्ने, but that sometimes becomes conventional practice, and that sometimes can change the future of the world. Yes or no? Yes. So crisis को बेला problems पनि बेसी हुन्छ, जुगाड पनि बेसी हुन्छ, therefore innovation पनि बेसी हुन्छ, and people are more willing to adapt a solution because crisis छ. We have to change, we have to adapt, and that really makes sure that a crisis is actually the father of entrepreneurship in the modern world. Agreed or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Have you heard of Sir Winston Churchill? Sir Winston Churchill को नाम सुन्नु भएको छ? Winston Churchill, yes. He was Prime Minister of England. So Winston Churchill actually भन्नुभएको थियो, never let a good crisis go to waste. कुनै राम्रो crisis भइरहेछ, उसलाई कहिले पनि waste दिनु हुँदैन क्राइसिसलाई झ्याप्प समातेर you can use that to catalyze and to change your life, and that is what we need to learn and understand today. My talk today is going to be about leadership and entrepreneurship. I'm going to talk mostly on leadership because I know this is a JCI crowd. You are very interested in leadership. And let me tell you one thing that I realized. I was doing a workshop for an international non-governmental organization. UN को एउटा body थियो. त्यो वर्कशॉपमा 140 जना हुनुहुन्थ्यो. Okay? 140 जनामा there were 3 main people on top. The 3 main heads of this workshop. I told them, please come forward. अनि आफ्नो लाइफको सबभन्दा ठुलो फेलियरको कहानी हामीलाई भन्नु. के भन्नु पर्ने थियो? सबभन्दा ठुलो फेलियर, not success. Okay? सबभन्दा ठुलो फेलियरको कहानी हामीलाई भन्नु. This was what I told them. I'll tell you what the 3 stories were. One lady came and said, म विदेशमा काम गरिरहेको थिएँ. एउटा हामीले सानो मिस्टेक के गरे, मिडियालाई हामीले इन्फर्मेसन टाइममा दिएन, मिडियाले गलत न्यूज छाप्यो, त्यो न्यूज भाइरल भयो and my organization got into trouble. सबभन्दा ठुलो करियरको फेलियरको कहानी. करेक्ट? एकजनाले भन्नुभयो, मेरो टिममा एकजना केटी थियो, she was just not performing well, तर मलाई उले भन्नै आएन, how can you be a better performer, how can you do better, how can you actually excel in your job. अनि मैले उले भन्नै सकेन, पछि उले यति धेरै मिस्टेक्स गरिरहेको थियो, फुल टिमको काम पनि एकदमै डाइल्युट भयो. This was the second story I heard. And the third story I heard was, one man came and told me, you know what, I was head of my organization, I had a particular vision. 3 वर्षमा मलाई ये चाहियो, तर मैले आफ्नो vision टिमलाई भन्न त सके, but I never managed to convince my team, let's make this vision a reality. I never managed to get my team to say, okay, यो हाम्रो vision पनि same हो. सबैको हाम्रो vision मा clash थियो, अनि त्यो dream कहिले पनि fulfill भएन. What I realized was this, त्यो दिन बल्ल all the big failures that these big leaders spoke about were not technical failures. Were not server bigrera yo gayo. Were not by spelling wrong lekhe. Were not by calculation wrong gare. No. All the big failures they spoke about were communication based failures or leadership based failures. Do we agree or not? Yes or no? Yes. Number 1, media like communicate garena. Number 2, केटी राम्रोसँग काम गरिरहेको थिएन, उनीहरु बोल्ने हिम्मतै भएन. अनि number 3, same vision full टिममा मैले दिन सकेन. What does this mean? हजुरहरु पनि when you go higher up in your career, when you go higher up in the work that you do, it is going to become less and less important what your technical skills are and more important what your soft skills are. Agreed or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. For example, let's say एकदम simplified, oversimplified example लिन्छु. Suppose कोही फ्याक्ट्रीमा काम गरिरहेछ, उसको काम के छ? जुत्ता बनाउने. ठीक छ? 3 वर्षसम्म जुत्ता बनाइरहेछ. Damn good at making shoes. Suddenly one day that person becomes the manager. Now he's got 10 people under him to make the shoes. आफै जुत्ता बनाउनु पर्दैन, तर अरूको कामलाई सुपरवाइज गर्नु पर्यो. What skill is more important that time? Supervision and communication or actually making the shoes yourself? Supervision and communication, which means that at the highest level of leadership, your technical skills become less and less important and your soft skills become more and more important. Okay? Agreed everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Now, I'm going to tell you about 5 skills today. You can write them down if you want to, but I'm going to make them all based on stories or questions. Are we happy about that? Yes? Yes. 5 skills today, 5 C's of leadership. Let me start with the first one. And this is a story, it's my favorite story in the world. Are we willing to listen to it, yes or no? Yes. Story pachi, ma sabaijanaलाई सोध्छु, what did you learn from this story, and you're all going to share with me. Is that okay? Yes? Okay. एकचोटि दुईवटा भ्यागुता थियो. What are भ्यागुtas called in English? And these 2 भ्यागुtas were best friends. And these 2 भ्यागुtas were walking in the jungle. Evening भइरहेको थियो. And उहाँहरूले हेर्न सकेन, तर उहाँको ठ्याक्क अगाडि एउटा खाल्डो थियो. अनि दुईटा भ्यागुता मजाले रमाएर जाँदाखेरि त्यो खाल्टोमा खस्यो. Both of them started screaming, help, 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 help. कोही पनि आएन. आधी घण्टा पछि ती ठुलो जनावर त्यहाँबाट हिँडिराख्नु भएको थियो. उहाँले सुन्नुभयो एउटा बाघ, एउटा जिराफ अनि एउटा lion, and these were best friends, right? So they heard that there's two small, tiny, soft voices screaming, help, help, help. अनि उहाँहरू गएर त्यो खाल्टो वरिपरि उभिनुभयो. उभिँदाखेरि देशी दुईटा सानो भ्यागुटा भित्र गइराख्नु भएको छ, खराइराख्नु भएको छ. तीनजना जनावरले के भन्नुभयो, छे यति सानो भ्यागुटा सम्भवै छैन. They will definitely die here. One of the frogs heard what the three big animals were saying. One of the frogs heard these three animals ko kura, and he said, oh, यति ठुलो जनावरले भनिरहेछ, म बाँच्न सक्दैन, म डेफिनेटली बाँच्न सक्दैन. उसले के गर्यो त? भुइँमा सुत्यो, जय पशुपतिनाथ बाबा गर्यो. हिन्दू थियो खास चाहिँ, जय पशुपतिनाथ बाबा गर्यो. अनि त्यही भित्रो अर्को भ्यागुटाले ट्राई गरिरहेको थियो. आधी घण्टा ट्राई गर्यो, हात दुख्न थाल्यो. 1 घण्टा ट्राई गर्यो, खुट्टा पनि दुख्न थाल्यो. सबै दुखिरहेछ, तर पनि ट्राई गरेको थिए. अनि त्यो जुन तीनवटा ठुलो जनावर थियो, they were still there and they were still saying, किन गरिरह? सम्भवै छैन, किन गरिरह तिमी? तर उसले ट्राई गरिरहेको. 3 घण्टा पछि उसले एउटा ठुलो जम्प हानेर त्यो खाल्टोबाट निस्किन बित्तिकै त्यो तीनवटा ठुलो जनावरले के गर्यो? आफ्नो फोन लिएर यस्तो भिडियो बनायो. भिडियो भाइरल भयो. भाइरल भएपछि नेक्स्ट डे प्रेस कन्फरेन्स भयो. अब प्रेस कन्फरेन्समा एकजना जर्नलिस्ट ल्याएर सोध्नुभयो, सर how did you come out from that ditch alive? अनि यो तरिकाले माइक राख्नुभयो. They listened to the tapes of all of these plane crashes and they found one crazy thing in common. And the crazy thing was, every time there was a crash, चलाउने मान्छे was the senior pilot and navigate गर्ने मान्छे was the junior pilot. फेरि बुझाउँछु. क्राश भइरहेको बेला जो मान्छेले साँच्चै प्लेन चलाइरहेको थियो, they were the senior pilot. अनि जो मान्छेले नेभिगेट गरिरहेको थियो, they were the junior pilot. कसरी भयो यो? Why was this happening all the time? After a lot of survey and a lot of study, they realized कोरियामा सिनियर्सको प्रति यति धेरै हायरार्किकल डिफरेन्स हुन्छ, यति धेरै रिस्पेक्टको कुरा हुन्छ, रिस्पेक्टको कुरा. If I am junior to you and if you are about to crash a plane, I will say, sir, it's a Luna plane. You're about to crash a plane, I'm also going to die. In America, if you were about to crash a plane and you're senior to me, what would I say? Stop this right now, let's go. Yes or no? But the distance between the leaders and the juniors was so high that the way they communicated with their seniors was not strong enough. What does that mean? Plane crash by that, sir. Sir, can you see that in front of us, that little mountain? So then, sir, maybe we should avoid mountains. Sir, let's see if we can do something about it. Questions and suggestions, but never firm statements. Let's avoid this mountain now. Mountain in front of us, turn now, or whatever it is, right? We need to understand the second most important thing about leadership is you don't have to have a tag to be a leader. Anybody is a leader. Everybody is a leader. Agreed or not? Yes. What does this mean? To be a leader, you need to identify what is going wrong and you need to be able to do the second C, which is communicate and share the problem. Talk about it. Talk to people about it. Bring it up. Keeping quiet and not learning how to communicate properly will never make you a leader. Although you might say Pradhan Mantri, Rashtrapati, President, Counselor, whatever on your head, it will never make you a leader. Agree or not, guys? Yes or no? To be a leader, sometimes we need to challenge people senior to us as well. Think about Greta Thunberg. नाम सुन्नु भएको छ कि छैन? Yes or no? Nelson Mandela. नाम सुन्नु भएको छ कि छैन? Gandhi. नाम सुन्नु भएको छ कि छैन? What did all these people do? They challenged those in authority, not in a bad way, not by throwing stones, but ask questions. Learn to communicate correctly if you genuinely want to be a leader, because the second C of leadership is always what? Communication. Okay? Did we like this Korean example or not? Yes or no? Yes? Gives us a lot to think about. किन थाहा छ? नेपालमा पनि धेरै डिस्टेन्स हुन्छ लिडर्स र हामीको बीचमा, हुन्छ कि हुँदैन? कतिजनाले युरोपियन कन्ट्रीजको फोटो हेर्नु भएको छ where the leader is going to work on a cycle. Have you seen those? Yes? Netherlands where the Prime Minister is going on a cycle, parking his cycle, going into the parliament, doing his business and coming out. नेपालमा कोही आइरहेछ गइरहेछ भने 4 घण्टासम्म काठमाडौँको बाटो बन्द हुन्छ. Right? We have so much of distance between us and our leaders. We don't have the courage to ask the right questions. But if we genuinely want to be a leader, we must start to do the second C, which is
communication.
Communicate. So what is the first C of leadership? Conviction. And the second C is communication. Do you want to now hear about the third C?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Actually, this is a story. I learned this in school and this story really helped me. एकचोटि एउटा राजा थियो अनि त्यो राजाले के डिसाइड गरेको थियो, मेरो राज्य धेरै सानो भयो, मलाई ठुलो एउटा अर्को राजाको राज्यलाई पनि कब्जा गर्ने इच्छा छ, तर कब्जा गर्नको लागि के चाहियो? व्हाट यु नीड टु एक्चुअली कन्कर अनदर पर्सन्स ल्यान्ड? आर्मी चाहियो. उहाँको आर्मीमा सोल्जर्स पुग्ने गरी थिएन. उहाँले के गर्नुभयो, ल ठिक छ, म आफ्नो राज्यभित्रको प्रत्येक हेल्दी मेललाई ऑडिशनमा बोलाउँछु, आर्मीको जाँचमा बोलाउँछु, परीक्षाको लागि बोलाउँछु. जतिजनाले पास गर्नुभयो सबैजना आर्मीमा एनलिस्ट भइहाल्नुहुन्छ. ओके? सो एउटा नोटिस भयो, every healthy male has to come for this particular exam. If they pass it, they are going to be in the army. All the men went. 4 दिनपछि एउटा लिस्ट आयो. यो लिस्टमा के थियो? The names of all the men who had actually been selected for the army. लिस्टको सबै नाम पढ्दाखेरि all the men that were selected for the army were tall men, broad men, men who looked like really strong, like they can actually kill you, right? तर उहाँहरूको बीचमा एउटा सानो 5 फुटको सानो पातोलो जस्तो भाइ पनि थियो. अनि this भाइ was very shocked. यस्तो मान्छेहरूको बीचमा मलाई किन लियो त? म के गर्न सक्छु त? हो कि हैन? भ्यालिड क्वेशन थियो कि थिएन? भ्यालिड क्वेशन थियो. उसको मनमा त he's like thinking, why have they chosen me? All the big tall men are there in the army. What will I do with these people? त्यो केटा आत्यो, तर राजाको आदेश छ, जानु त पर्यो. 9 दिनको लामो सफर थियो त्यो राज्यसम्म. अनि कुन राज्यलाई गयो अट्याक गर्ने? यस्तो राज्य जसको किला एउटा डाँडामाथि थियो. सो व्हाट डिड दे हैव टु डू? 8 दिनसम्म मार्च गर्ने. 9th डे बिहान एउटा डाँडा आउँछ. त्यो डाँडामाथि के छ? एउटा ठुलो किला. त्यो किलालाई अट्याक गर्नु पर्यो. ल फुल आर्मी निस्क्यो. त्यो सानो भाइ तिमी यो हुने गयो. हिँडिरहेछ. फर्स्ट डे सबैले तिमीलाई जिस्कायो. किन तिमी गइरह हामीसँग? छे, तिम्रो कामै छैन. तर तिमीले के सोच्यौ? होइन, राजाको आदेश मान्नु पर्छ, हो कि हैन? तिमीले मानेर सोचेर अगाडि बढ्यौ. दोस्रो दिन फेरि पनि सबैजना डो हिँडिराख्नु भएको छ. तिमी बेचारा सानो थियो नि, पछाडि दौडी आइरहेछ, तर क्याचअपै गर्न सकेन तिमीले. Again everyone was making fun of them. के हो तिमी? यति बिस्तारै हिँड्दैन. छे, तिम्रो कामै छैन. तिमीले एकदम स्याड फिल गर्यो, तर पनि राजाको आदेश चाहिँ जानु पर्छ कि पर्दैन? पर्छ. त्यो लिएर गइरहेको थियो. तेस्रो दिन सेम कुरा, चौथो दिन सेम कुरा. 5th day when the same thing happened, Timmy started feeling horrible. एकदमै embarrassed भयो. अनि तिमीले के गर्यो त? राति when nobody was watching, त्यो एउटा क्याम्प जस्तो थियो जहाँ सबै बसिराख्नु भएको थियो. त्यो क्याम्पबाट तिमी भागेर अँध्यारोमा हराइहाल्यो. 6th day, nobody noticed that Timmy was not there. 7th day, nobody noticed that Timmy was not there. 8th day, nobody noticed that Timmy was not there. 9th day, बिहान भयो, सबैजना उत्तेजित, एक्साइटेड. आज हामी त्यो अर्को किरालाई अट्याक गर्छौं. हिँडिरहेको छ. लास्टमा they saw the big डाँडा पनि देखियो अनि डाँडामाथिको किला पनि देखियो. Everyone's excited. राजाज्यू आदेश दिनु, हामी गएर अहिले नै अट्याक गर्छौं. राजाज्यू आदेश दिनु, अट्याक. The king said, stop. Timmy khoi. Everyone started looking. Timmy khoi. आधी घण्टासम्म हेर्नु भयो, टिमी भेटाएन. फेरि एकजना मन्त्रीले गएर भन्नुभयो, सर किन चाहियो टिमी? हामी सबै छौं नि. We are strong, we are really good, we can do it. Why do you need Timmy right now? The king said, without Timmy, we will lose this battle. किन? किला चाहिँ डाँडामाथि छ. माथिबाट if they start shooting arrows at us, हामी छिट्टै सकिहाल्छौं. मेरो प्लान के थियो? एउटा सानो सुरङ्ग छ. त्यो सुरङ्गबाट मैले सोचेको थिएँ म टिमीलाई भित्र छिराउँछु. ओ भित्रबाट गएर दरवाजा खोल्छ अनि त्यो ढोकाभित्र हामी छिरिहाल्छौँ. And that is how we would win this battle. But because they had no Timmy, they all lost that battle. What did you learn from this story? What did you think about? There are many thoughts in this story. Okay, now, what did you think about? Anyone? Any ideas? What did you think about? What did you think about? Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for the opportunity. यो हजुरको कुराबाट चाहिँ मैले के सिकेँ भन्दाखेरि कुनै की आइडिया हुन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले इग्नोर गर्नु हुँदैन. जुन चाहिँ एकदम नेसेसरी की आइडिया छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ कन्सिडरेसनमा राख्नुपर्छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ मैले एउटा सारको रूपमा बुझ्न सकेँ.
Okay, key idea and consider garnu paryo. And maybe the king should have shared the key idea with everybody. Yes or no? Maybe the king should have shared the strategy with everybody, and then they would also take care of TV better. Okay, great point. Anyone else? I'll just give it to you.
Thank you, ma'am. In the TV, everyone has their own responsibility.
Everyone has their own
responsibility.
Responsibility.
Yeah.
Yes. Like everyone has their own value. Everyone has their responsibility. Absolutely. Great point. Great point. Anything else? Can you pass the mic there, please?
Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity. मैले चाहिँ यो स्टोरीबाट के सिकेँ भने हामीले जस्तोसुकै परिस्थितिमा पनि हरेक मान्छेको आफ्नो रोल हुन्छ. त्यसलाई चाहिँ इग्नोर गर्नु हुँदैन. हरेक पर्सनको हरेक रोल हुन्छ. त्यसलाई चाहिँ सही समयमा सही तरिकाले सदुपयोग गर्न सक्यो भने हामी सफल हुन्छौँ भन्ने सिकेँ.
Exactly. The main thing is pratyek manchi ko value huncha, responsibility huncha, role huncha. A true leader knows that and brings that out of that person. Yes or no?
Yes.
When I was doing my first job, can I have the mic for a minute?
I plan to say one point.
Yes.
Never judge a book by its cover.
Yes, absolutely. We're coming to that as well. Yes. Okay. My first job, let me tell you guys. I was doing a job in India for a bit of time. Your job was paying me very well. Sachi bola ki I was getting a lot of money when I was doing this particular job. The problem was, I felt मेरो जुन skill थियो, job त्योसँग match गरिरहेको थिएन. You know what I mean? Yes or no? I was better at certain things, but my boss was continuously giving me other things to do. A true leader can always do one thing, and that is judge the character. So C for character. Judge the character of the other person and really be able to give them roles and responsibilities based on their character. Make sense or not? Yes or no? Yes. So the third C is what? Yes. Judge the character, give them roles, cherish them, know that everybody has value, and give people responsibilities based on their value. First C was what? What was the first C? Conviction. Second C? Communication, that's the character. To be able to judge somebody's character and to be able to give them work as per that character. Are we ready for the fourth C? Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, much better. How many of you know what the map of Japan looks like? Japan ko naksha kati janalai थाहा छ के कस्तो छ? कसैलाई थाहा छ? हजुर? नेपालको जस्तो सिमिलर छ तर भर्टिकल छ? ओके, तर एउटा छुट्टे कुरा के छ? It is vertical, yes. What is छुट्टे? एकदम छुट्टे. It is called an archipelago. What is an archipelago? Many islands, island, dweep छ, and tapu, and together that makes the country Japan. Okay?